In 2026, relying on traditional funding, expensive bank loans, or personal savings to launch an enterprise is financial foolishness. Modern wealth generation has decoupled from initial capital expenditure. The path to building a high-margin enterprise now relies on a concept known as digital leverage. This involves utilizing software ecosystems, distribution networks, and global infrastructure that cost nothing to access. Traditional profit and loss statements are weighed down by physical liabilities. Conversely, a digital infrastructure map has a $0 barrier to entry. The wealthy don't risk their own cash. They leverage asymmetric digital assets that cost nothing to create, yet command premium pricing. Today, we are reverse engineering a highly automated, zero-overhead business ecosystem from scratch. This model is built on 3 architectural layers. First, cloud infrastructure, high-ticket B2B arbitrage, and cash flow automation. By eliminating startup capital, the primary barrier between operational theory and market execution is removed. Failure becomes an issue of architecture, not funding. Traditional businesses fail primarily because they are crushed by the weight of upfront fixed overhead. When an operation carries commercial rent, warehouse storage, and manufacturing costs, a single bad month can lead to bankruptcy. The direct antidote to this overhead is the zero capex infrastructure model. We construct the base layer by utilizing open source frameworks and automated software ecosystems that offer free tiers for beginners. This setup eliminates the fixed costs that destroy legacy business models. The result is an operation running with nearly 100% gross profit margins. To maintain these margins, you must pivot away from buying and holding physical inventory. Instead of physical goods, you package specialized operational frameworks, high-value consulting workflows, or micro software scripts. These digital assets solve specific high-pain operational problems for businesses. To bypass paid advertising, you rely on organic search traffic and optimized media distribution to position your offer in front of buyers searching for solutions. Operating at zero marginal cost provides a buffer against market downturns, as a slow sales month no longer carries the threat of immediate bankruptcy. Monetizing this infrastructure exposes the critical mistake beginners make when launching digital products. This is the volume trap. Attempting to scale by selling low-ticket items like $10 ebooks or $15 t-shirts. Selling low-ticket items requires thousands of new customers every single month just to survive. Processing this volume forces the founder into a cycle of heavy marketing spend and constant customer support. High-ticket B2B arbitrage inverts this logic. You identify high-revenue industries, such as real estate firms or legal practices, that are losing money due to inefficient back-end operations. By reaching out through tailored digital strategies, you offer to install pre-built customer nurturing systems or AI-driven lead management pipelines. Because this implementation saves the firm hundreds of operational hours or generates tens of thousands in reclaimed revenue, the ROI is easily demonstrated. This value creation justifies a premium monthly retainer of $2,000 to $5,000. You only need 2 or 3 of these high-ticket clients to build a predictable monthly income stream with zero upfront product costs. Shifting from consumer volume to B2B arbitrage creates high-margin cash flow with a fraction of the operational friction. Successful founders eventually hit an operational bottleneck, their own time. Trading your time for dollars inside your own business simply creates a new job. It is not a scalable asset. Continuous cash flow automation is the mechanism used to achieve true passive scaling. This requires hardwiring intake funnels directly to cloud fulfillment systems to remove the human element. The sequence triggers the moment a client signs up. Software handles payment processing and onboarding protocols simultaneously without requiring your presence. The system then executes service delivery and generates performance reports automatically. This acts as an optimized financial flywheel, delivering consistent results around the clock. Removing manual intervention from service delivery is the only way to decouple net worth from personal time. This completed architecture represents a macro shift in how digital enterprises are built. We have replaced physical overhead with free cloud infrastructure. We replaced the chaos of consumer volume with precise B2B value arbitrage. And finally, we replaced manual labor with automated API integrations to close the operational loop. With daily operations automated, the founder focuses purely on the macro growth of the asset ecosystem. Financial freedom in the modern landscape is not limited by the size of your bank account, but by the speed and precision with which you deploy automated assets. If you want practical wealth blueprints and straightforward investing strategies explained step by step, subscribe to Finance Decoded MB. Reliable financial systems built today buy back your time tomorrow. This shifts the focus from constant manual labor to self-sustaining wealth.